How to sign up for a Microsoft Azure account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new Microsoft Azure account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and search for Microsoft Azure, and you'll see this link right here, azure.microsoft.com. And scroll down, you'll find the same thing right here. Go ahead and open up this link on a new tab, or just click on this official site like so, and you'll be taken to the official website. So you have an option to go ahead and try Azure for free. Click on it, and then you're just going to have to sign up for it. Sign up for a new account for Azure. So here you are just going to have to enter your email address and your password. But if you're new, you could just click on sign in with a different Microsoft account. And if you're new, you can just sign up for a new Microsoft account as well if you don't have the Microsoft account. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with mine and click on sign in. And as you can see here, I have successfully logged into my Microsoft Azure account. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.